Turn on the water tester using the power button. These settings are compatible with firmware version 2.08 and higher. Press the menu button. Select the favorite icon at the top. Press OK to confirm. Press OK to enter the selection mode. In this case, select the tablet mode. Press OK. Use up and down buttons to select the desired parameter. Confirm with the OK button. Using up and down buttons, select the next parameter. Press OK. Select the next parameter. Press OK. Now you have 3 favorite parameters selected. Press OK to add more favorite parameters. Press OK to select the tablet mode. Using up and down buttons, select the desired parameter. Confirm with OK button. Repeat the same steps to add 2 more parameters. Use up and down buttons to select the desired parameters. Confirm your selection with OK button. Press the 0 button to go to the previous menu. Press the 0 button again to start the countdown. Wait until the countdown ends. Press the menu button. Select the favorite icon. Press OK. Using down button, select first 3 favorite parameters. Press OK. Now, you can view your favorite parameters at the bottom of the screen. Press the menu button. Press OK. Using down button, select the next 3 favorite parameters. Press OK. Your parameters are displayed at the bottom of the screen. Press the menu button. Select the favorite icon. Using down button, select parameters to delete. Press the menu icon. Select the bin icon and press OK. Repeat the steps to delete other parameters. Deleted parameters are not displayed. Press the 0 button to go to the previous or main menu. PoolWaterLAB. Perfect water, perfect moments. Test, trust and dive in.